y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together. Guess who's back?
Hey, back again.
We are back.
Tell
Your
friend.
friends.
Friends, multiple.
Audience.
Everybody. Come here. Attenzione.
Anyways, we're back for some more fun.
Yes, more rum punch fun to be specific.
We have traveled the seas to the Jamaica side.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are there. We are there. Can you picture it?
You know you have a voice for a radio?
Do I? Because
No.
I feel like it's scratchy. Oh, then you said no. Bitch. Anyways.
It's too late.
All right. So listen, as you can tell by the state of the table,
Ooh, child.
it's a lot going on.
Jamaican people are complicated. This is all this stuff.
To be fair, we didn't necessarily vet this against the Jamaicans, but we feel like this is a good summary, possibly, of said recipe. So anyways, we are going to get started. And I said that because I don't want no Jamaicans jumping in the comments like, this is not how we do it. Woo. Okay, I understand.
This is what we found.
I understand.
This is what we got.
This is what we found, okay?
I did the best that I can do with what I got.
We did our best research, and this is what we came up with.
Amen
okay?
to that.
All right, so we're going to run through the ingredients, and then we'll get started.
Ooh,
Okay.
child.
All right, so,
Start from left to right. Wait.
we'll let...
Our left. to
Okay,
right.
all right. So there's going to be ginger beer, okay? Pineapple juice.
Ooh, child.
Pineapple chunks, which are already in said container. Orange juice. Lime juice.
Ooh, child.
I can't even talk. The actual rum, which is Wray and Nephew for this, okay? Grenadine. Well, we had some additional lime juice because we need that. Grenadine, and we have oranges, limes, and lemons.
It's so delectable.
Okay, so let's start by putting the majority of our fruit in. So I wouldn't dump everything in. Let's just kind of get a selection of all, because keep in mind,
How you gonna say selection and you dump the whole thing of lemons in there?
I didn't dump the whole lemon, heifer.
Lemon. Diamonds on my chain with the V cut. Sorry.
I felt inspired. Okay, so
Nose so stuffy and I'm riding on a Huffy.
would you put that somewhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, so let's actually start with the rum, because that's, honest to God, the most important part.
Amen to that.
Okay, so 1.5 cups.
That's it?
I know, but it's Wray and Nephew.
I mean, it ain't the worst.
It is, in all estimation of what we have had before. You're definitely right. You want me to do 2?
Yeah, let's get the party started.
Okay. She told me to do it, y'all. She told me to do it. It's liquor math. 1.5 ounces is actually 2.
Liquor man. I like that for you. We should teach that in school. What grade should we do?
Probably
College. Yeah.
because in this country,
We ain't trying to get sued.
yeah, you got to be of age, and we do want to make sure nobody is.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you need to be of age for this one. Yeah, go ahead and be of age. Okay, now let's start with our pineapple juice since it's already in our container. So this is 2.5 cups of our pineapple juice.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me go ahead and get that orange juice right yonder. And
Shake it up.
oh my God, thank you. Even though it's pulp free, but still,
I know, but you know, you gotta get all the potency from the bottom.
right.
All the vitamin C is hanging at the bottom.
It's hanging at the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, so 2 cups of this.
Shit. Yikes.
It wasn't connecting, bro. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so 1 cup of lime juice. Guess we'll start with this.
Because it's gross.
Exactly. We purchased it And thus, we put in the work, as far as I'm concerned.
Facts. Oh my goodness. So far, Trinidad is up. So far.
The rum punch was actually really good.
Jamaican punch is like something that is like known throughout, but Trinidad punch was hitting.
Okay, so they said about half a cup of ginger beer. Now I gotta tell you, I ain't never heard of that, but we gonna do what we do. And then that Grenadine, 3/4 cup of.
You might need a little bit of something.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my.
Sorry, I don't know my own
My god. I mean, she made sure that it was secure and it wasn't gonna be open, but. Secure that up all nice like that. Okay.
Stir, right?
Good stir.
Good.
We should have had just your paddle.
Hey, it's not a paddle. It's Big Daddy Kane. Get
well,
it right.
Whatever. The point is,
it has a name. Big Daddy Kane.
You named it.
Yeah. Damn. You see how long it was? Pause.
Oh my Lord in heaven.
Pause.
Jesus.
Mama, I'm so sorry.
Nah, it's too late.
I think it was the Kane 151. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and blame it on it, because
blame
that
it
was.
On the
Okay, and we are gonna. You know how this goes. We always gotta kind of. I'm not gonna say nothing because it's gonna sound sus.
Wouldn't be the first.
It would not. Okay. Shall we taste?
Yeah. Jamaica.
Hey, all right.
Jamaica.
Just so you can pour mine right after.
I'm gonna pour a little bit.
That's all right. Carpet's red. Oh, Lord. Okay.
What's it called? Jamaican punch.
Jamaican rum punch. That's what the recipe said, and so that's what we gonna go with. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Just like Mama made it.
My mom is Panamanian, so I don't know that.
My mom is African American and doesn't drink, so that was a really
poor
poor
geographical area. She's from Seattle. She don't know no better.
Wait a minute, Heifer.
You said my mama, and my mama's from Panama.
But I didn't. It's a figure of speech. I know your mama ain't Trinidadian or Jamaican. I knew that.
So I didn't know how my mama made it.
And go ahead and tell me what you think of this here punch.
She did not know better.
I knew what I was saying. You did not get the joke. Go ahead
when
and
she's
tell
at
me.
It rains and pours.
I'm tired. I'm about tired of this dusty bitch. Getting on my nerves. Okay.
But all right. I'll let you rate first because I rate last.
You did. That's fair. Okay, so this I love. The other one was really good. The Trinidadian punch I gave a 9, I believe. I am going to give this a 10 because this is what I think of personally when I think of rum punch. Now that might be unfair because you're like, Amber, you're biased. Oh my God. But I'm just thinking about all the times that I've had rum punch and what it has tasted like, and this is what the term rum punch brings to mind for me. I like I said, both were great.
Yeah,
both were great. I felt like the Trinidadian one was definitely a good punch. Mm-hmm. I just don't know if I would. I mean, it is a rum punch because it's rum and punch, but it's just not what I naturally think of from that standpoint. Yeah. So, it's a 10 for me.
I'm gonna give this an 8, only because I feel like it needs a little bit more sweetness to it.
Oh, you want it sweeter?
Just a little bit.
It didn't have enough diabetes for you?
I didn't taste no diabetes.
No, that's because the last one was for show diabetes. We had a smooth 1 I think how much sugar? 1 pound of sugar.
Yeah, 1 pound.
I used 1 pound of sugar.
It just needs something. Even if you added like a little bit of, I don't know, something a little sweet, just a little dab of honey, agave, something. You know what I'm saying? Maybe agave. Maybe, I don't know. But I'll give it an 8.
Or a sweeter juice.
Yeah.
Because
a solid 8. Because, you know, we did use concentrate and all of that. So it might have made it a little
not
tart.
to mention, if you think about the juices we use, there are the pineapple, orange juice, lime juice.
Maybe let it marinate a little bit.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. Like, especially once the pineapple has, like you said, has a chance to be in there for a minute, maybe it's going to, like, hit.
Yeah.
So I can understand that. So,
yeah, 8 for me.
For you, the Trinidadian Punch won.
For me, yeah.
Mathematically
because it was 9 and then this is an 8, yeah.
Yeah. For me, the Jamaican Punch won. Shocker, like, based on how we've been going lately. So, you guys will obviously provide all of the instructions in the recipe below. We want to hear from you what your preference is once you've tried the recipes. Don't just go off of what your family does. I get it. But try the recipes and then kind of do an evaluation and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And listen.
Ring that bell.
Yes, ring the bell. Now, this is really the first Battle of the Caribbean that we're doing in terms of the Jamaica versus Trinidad. We realize there are other islands, so do not come for us. Okay?
We're making our way around.
We're making our way around.
Making our way around. Walking fast, faces passing them home. Look at me. I'm back Betty. Look at my huge donkey.
Wow.
You like Sally.
I'm done.
I love that movie.
Oh my God. I forgot about that. I was not ready. Listen. Okay.
Get ready. You gotta get ready with me, cause
oh my God.
Real quick.
You right. But listen. Okay, so comment below for if we do a second iteration of the Battle of the Caribbean, what other 2 countries should we do?
For my bird hit man.
So, yeah, we'll be back. But yeah, like I said, don't forget to ring that bell so you know exactly when we drop the new episodes. Okay.
Ring that bell.
We'll be back. Denver, did you take the chicken out?